Big up on yourself, guys. It's your girl Choreo here, and welcome to 876 Tutorial Tuesdays Pinktober High Intensity Interval Training. Now today we're doing 5 different dancehall steps. I have my timer here. We're doing 40 seconds on and 20 seconds rest. Okay, we're starting with needle eye. So in 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, we're gonna start. 20 seconds, let's go. Hey. Whoa. Okay. 3. Alright guys, so we have 10 seconds of rest in between. Remember, you can check the link below. I will link it. If you want the breakdown, here we go again. Needle eye, hey. And of course, you know this wouldn't be a Choreo unless I went down to the ground. But you can stay up. Keep the modified version. Keep going. Move the legs. 2, 1. Big up on yourself, guys. Moving to the next one. Alright guys, so the next step will take us to the floor. We're doing on the defense line. Modified version first, which looks like this. Keep going. And when I turn to the other side, I'm going to be doing the advanced version, okay? Keep going. Focus on the breath out. Push through the arms. This is excellent for the arms, for the lower back, and the core if you do it the right way. Woo! Moving to the next side. For this one, let me show you really quickly. I'm going to go down, push my hips up. All right? So I'm going from the beginning. Here we go. Straight under, hands here, push up. This is the advanced version. If you want to keep the modified version, you can do that, all right? All right, guys, so moving to the next move. All right, so that push-up one floored me. Thank God we're doing only puppy tail now. Here we go. 20 seconds of puppy tailing. All you're doing is pushing the butt back and jiggling. Focus on that breath out, especially if you are breathy like myself. Focus on that breath out, babe. 2 and 1. All right, moving to the next side. I mean, it's the same thing really, but I'm just turning sides just for dimension. Here we go. 2. Here we go. Woo. So it's so easy doing these just at random, but put them into high intensity interval training. It's crazy. Here, keep jiggling the booty, move the hips side to side. All right, okay. Moving to the next one, guys. Easy cheesy butterfly. Let's go. This one is really easy. Finishing it with this boy. Just bring the legs in and out. Hey. Ooh. And what I really want you to focus on is the breath out. Why we focus on the breath out? Because the body naturally breathes in. Ooh. Focus on our breath out. I am sweating like crazy. Same thing. I'm facing it the same way. Here we go. And 1, 2. So this one is really simple, but if you bend with it, you're able to pressure the knees, pressure the thighs, the hamstrings, the glutes, the quadriceps, tuck the tummy in and out. So for example, I go in, tuck the tummy in, get a nice crunch, and get a full body workout with this. So this has been high intensity interval training, the Pinktober edition. I'm your girl Choreo. I am floored after just 5 minutes. Big up on yourself. I am out.